Well, hello my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm going to make this beautiful personalized mug using the HTV adhesive vinyl. Now this adhesive vinyl, I have it in a glossy and a matte finish. And for today's project, I'm going to use the glossy vinyl. This is a permanent vinyl and I will have the link in the description box below. I'm going to start a series called Let's Try It. It gives me a chance to try different brands of vinyl, materials, and crafting supplies and crafting goodies that I can let you know what makes the cut and give you my honest opinion. So today I'm going to make a mug using a Dollar Tree coffee mug that I purchased for $1.25 at my local Dollar Tree, and a design that I created and I'll have available. If you want this SVG file, just put a heart in the comment section below and I'll send you the file. Now this HTV adhesive vinyl does come with a clear protective sheet. You want to make sure that you remove that sheet before setting your design to cut, which you're cutting mat. I used a vinyl setting and weeded the project and it came out amazing. So now using my Cricut transfer tape, I'm going to go ahead and transfer the design onto my mug that I've already cleaned and prepared for this project. And using my scraper tool, I made sure to really adhere the design to the mug. And now here comes the fun part. And it's time to just remove that transfer tape to reveal the design. And this HTV permanent vinyl was so easy to use, weed, and it really adhered to the mug. I definitely give it a thumbs up and will be using it in future projects. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you learned a little bit or a lot, and I'll see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!